Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Perfecta, and this machine was brought in because it wasn't frothing the milk. And so basically how this machine works is that when you try to use the steam function of the hot water function, the first step is the machine activates the heating element. So it provides electricity to a heating element for the hot water and for the steam specifically, and it has a little sensor on it too. So if the heating element isn't heating up, then the temperature sensor doesn't register anything, and then it doesn't activate the pump to actually start forcing water through. So what's happening in this case is there is a little thermostat that's attached to the heating element, and when that blows, then electricity cannot get to the heating element. It happens when it overheats. And so because electricity wasn't getting to the heating element wasn't becoming hot, and so the temperature sensor wasn't registering heat, and so the machine wouldn't turn on the pump to provide water for hot water or steam. So we replaced that little thermostat safety, and now it's working once again. So let's test the functions. I'll show you what I mean. Alright, we'll start with hot water. Hot water preparation. Now it's heating up the element, and that's what we're waiting for. And then once it's up to temperature and it senses that it's up to temperature, then you'll hear the pump activate. You can kind of hear the water heating up. There it is. Up to temperature, pump turns on, forcing water out. Alright, hot water, looking good. Oh, we're out of water. Should be good. There we go. Okay, now that we've shown you the hot water, the steam functions exactly the same way. Except the heating element just gets a little bit hotter for the steam. Alright, now we're not going to use milk because we don't like to dirty up the system, but we've got water in here, and the effect is the same. So we'll just do a milk preparation, and steam is going to come out of here and into this top head, create suction, and it's going to pull it up through here and then come out. But again, we are waiting for the heating element first of all. There it is, you can hear the pump turning on. There it is. You can see it's pulling water up into here and out here. What would be milk. Alright. Now, a pull shot. Boom, boom, boom. Pre-infusion. There we go. Perfect. All right, and there it is, DeLonghi Perfecta steaming and issuing hot water once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.